What if I told you there's a type of real estate where you never deal with tenants, never fix a leaking roof, and never unclog a toilet? Meet Ryan. Ryan wanted to invest in real estate, but he hated dealing with tenant complaints. He knew that traditional rental properties can become a headache. Broken toilets, maintenance calls, late-night emergencies, none of it appealed to him. So instead of buying an apartment, Ryan did something different. He purchased a vacant piece of land near a busy highway and placed 20 simple metal storage units on it. No plumbing, no electricity, no fancy interiors, just steel boxes sitting on concrete. Then he opened a self-storage business. People own more stuff than they have space for, and they're happy to pay to store it somewhere safe. Before long, Ryan had all 20 units rented out. At just £100 per month per unit, he was generating £2,000 every month with very little maintenance. But 3 months later, a problem appeared. One customer stopped paying rent. Ryan called multiple times, but the tenant never answered. If this had been a residential property, the situation could have turned into a legal nightmare. Evictions often take months and can cost thousands in legal fees. But a storage unit isn't a home. Ryan checked the rental agreement. It clearly stated that after 30 days of non-payment, the contents of the unit could legally be claimed by the owner. On day 31, Ryan walked over to the unit, cut the lock, and opened the door. Inside, he found a flat-screen TV, a leather sofa, and several expensive golf clubs. Instead of hiring a lawyer, Ryan hired an auctioneer. The items were sold online for £800, and he kept the proceeds. Then he cleaned the empty unit and rented it to a new customer the very next day. That's when Ryan realized how powerful this business model could be. He used his profits to expand. First, 50 units, then 100, then even more. Eventually, he installed an automated gate system where customers could rent units online and receive access codes instantly by email. Today, Ryan owns over 200 storage units. They generate around £20,000 every month in cash flow. He rarely talks to customers, handles almost no maintenance, and has never had to fix a single toilet. Would you invest in a business like this, or do you still prefer traditional real estate? Comment storage if you try this model, and don't forget to like and follow for more smart business and money-making stories.